Legal experts believe Mapisa-Nqakula may be jumping the gun by interdicting her possible arrest. They say her biggest legal hurdle would be to prove urgency to the court. Newzroom Afrika's Khumalo reports.
Two legal experts believe National Assembly Speaker Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula may be jumping the gun in her urgent interdict to hold her imminent arrest. They believe that among the hurdles the Speaker would have to overcome is proving urgency to the court, as well as demonstrating that there is no alternative remedy besides the court halting her arrest.
There is no real reason or any constitutional right that I am seeing being violated by anybody that would lead to her launching this urgent application. Basically what I'm saying is that urgency may not be easy to prove for her in this particular matter.
Another legal expert concurs, saying that yet another challenge for Mapisa-Nqakula will be demonstrating that there is no alternative remedy but that which she seeks from the High Court.
The problem that you are going to find is that if you go to court on an urgent basis, then the court says, before we allow you to jump the queue, show us where the agency is on this particular matter. And one of the things which the court is going to look at is the issue of alternative remedies. To say, is there provision in any other law where a dispute or complaint might be handled in a much better way? If there is, go to that forum instead of coming to us.
Mapisa-Nqakula on Friday approached the Pretoria High Court on an urgent basis, lodging a court application to halt her possible arrest. In the 94-page application, she cited being informed by the Investigative Directorate Head, Advocate Bheki Manyati, of her imminent arrest. As such, she raised numerous grievances that include procedural inaccuracies in how the search and seizure warrant was executed at her home on Tuesday. She also claimed that the looming arrest was politically motivated to trigger the ANC step-aside policy and mar the ANC's chances heading towards the crucial elections. The respondents, who include the NPA head, Advocate Shamila Batoe, the Minister of Police, Manyati, and two others, have until the 2nd of April to respond. Despite her pleadings with the court, the Democratic Alliance has lodged a motion of no confidence against Mapisa-Nqakula.
We cannot now be sitting here with that head of this institution who is really, really tainted and is dragging the name and the reputation of the institution through the mud.
Defense Web editor explained how the Speaker is alleged to have found herself in this position.
She solicited about 2.3 million rands worth of bribes, possibly up to 5 million rand, but the figures vary, from Mapisa-Nqakula, who at the time was the head of Mkhombe Marine. Now, Mkhombe Marine was involved in logistics, and for several years, the Mkhombe Marine transported equipment for the SANDF to places like Sudan.
Mapisa-Nqakula has in the past been marred in allegations of wrongdoing, including claims that she smuggled a young Burundian woman from the Democratic Republic of Congo in 2016. In 2020, she found herself in hot water after transporting ANC officials to Zimbabwe using a Defence Force aircraft. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Khumalo in Pretoria.